I have here a container of water, coloured green and set to spin on a turntable. As it does, we observe the water moving outwards from the centre. To explain this, consider a particle of water within the container. As the container rotates, the velocity of the particle is tangential to the circle, and if no forces were to act upon it, it would continue in this direction. However, because the particle instead encounters the wall of the container applies a force to it, leaving it nowhere to go but up. The force the container applies to the water is acting as the centripetal force, where centripetal means centre seeking, because this force always points towards the centre. From the perspective of an observer rotating with the container, such that the container appears stationary, it would instead seem as though there is a force pushing the water apart. While this force does not strictly exist, and is more of a trick of perspective, it can still be a useful description in some circumstances. We call this fictitious force the centrifugal force.